Yo guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are here in the London borough of Sutton in South London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, let's go up to the max height, do a 360 photo. So I'm flying in my 30th London borough, so 31st London borough. I flew in Lambeth today, which is my 30th London borough that I've flown in. And soon it's going to be my 32nd London borough, which is all of them. So I've got Hillingdon left to fly in, and then that's it. Well, almost that borough is covered by Heathrow NFZ, so that's why I can't really do a drone flight here. But I found a spot where I can do it, so hopefully I can do it in that area. So once we got to the max height, we can do a 360-degree photo, and we're just going to zip around this area. All right, 360-degree photo is now complete. Let's just now zip around this area. So we're going to go this side first. Let's explore. Let's see what's down there. So we even got a crane in this area. Let's go to that crane area. Look at that, insane. Let's orbit around it. We're not going to go close to it, obviously. It might be a live crane. I've filmed so many cranes, which is actually crazy. It's unreal. It's got a crane right here. And then we've got the main area down here. We've got a shopping centre. Let's go towards that shopping centre area. And then we've got the high street of Sutton right here. Every time I fly later in the day and do a drone flight later in the day, it's always like the sun is harsher. That's how I want to fly when it's summer. So it's going to keep going down this way. There's an Asda in the area. Let's go towards the Asda. We've got Sainsbury's. Yeah, we've got a lot in this area. Let's go to the area down here. Just stay in this area. Let's explore down here. Yeah, the sun's a bit harsh. When you fly on that side, it gets in your face, literally. And we'll follow some cars back. It goes around this way. We'll just get a shot around there. Look at that amazing shot. We'll do get a shot of this area as well. We even got a tower block in this area. There's a lot of cheering going on. That's crazy. I don't even know where that's coming from, but what we'll do, we'll go towards the town centre. I don't know how far we can go down there because Let's go to one of these buildings on top. Explore this building. So there's a building down here. Let's not go that far on the other side because that's the issue. See, look, there's pigeons going around. That's actually sick. Look at that shot. Oh, that is sick. Oh, yeah, that's a sick shot. And we've got this building on here as well, in this area. Look at that shot. We'll explore this area down here. It's like a neighborhood area. Only problem is there's a lot of buildings in that area, so that's why it's a bit risky. Like, the drone can go behind it. We're just staying, we'll just come back now. Look at that. Got a Sutton train. You can see the front of this building as well. Look at that. We've got solar panels on this roof as well. And we've got the main area down here. Look at that insane shot. Stay in this area. Go towards the town centre. Sutton, this is the Sutton train station right there. Look at that. Insane. Look at that sick shot. Look at that sick shot. Get a sick shot of this. Let's get a sick shot of Sutton overall. Overall shot. That blue bus, we've been tracking it before, and it's here, going there. Look at that. Track it. That's Sutton High Street. Look at that. Insane shot. Let's go towards that area down there. We haven't been down there. We've got a tower block up there. Let's go towards that area. Down here. Get a shot of the silver car going down there. That is a 6 shot. That's a 6 shot of the neighbourhood, look at that. Let's turn back now. I think when we turn back, the sun's a bit harsh. What I'm going to do, get a shot of this side as we come back. Look at that shot. Where else can we go? Let's see. When we land, we'll come back towards here. The sun's a bit too harsh. I want to stay on the other side of the sun. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to... So look at that, look at that. What does that say? It says fauna. What does that mean? It's a graffiti right there. I'm saying, look at that. Let's get a shot of the sideways of the building. Actually, let's get a shot of the top of this building. Actually, we'll go down towards here. Look at that. We haven't been down this area before. Let's go down this area. There's a lot of empty car parks. You know what I could have done? I could have taken off my drone on top of the car parks. That would be so sick. I'm not sure how I'd get up there. I should have done that, but I didn't do it. A lot of Super League buses here as well. Look at that. A lot of solar panels in this building. We've even got this building right over here. Let's get a nice shot of that. Look at that, 6 shot. We've got a little place down here. Let's get a shot of this area down here. Quick. This is the town centre. Right there. Popeye's right there as well, you can see. That's the shopping centre, St. Nicholas shopping centre. That's what it says, and this is the high street. We've got the Asda there. We've been there before, essentially. What we're going to do is going to land the drone now because the battery is a bit low, running low. Alright, let's land the drone. Straight down shot. Better getting close to it, but it's, you know, it is what it is. It's alright. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight in Sutton in South London. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.